Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to see how we can log in as any user in Salesforce. So your system admins can log in as any user in your org. So I'll open my Salesforce account. This is my Salesforce account and I am currently logged in as a system administrator whose name is Salesforce Perpetually. So I'll go to setup. In setup, I have to search users just to make sure that I have users in this org to which I can log into. So these are the users which are already there in my org, and this was already created existing user, and this was also existing user, and user security is also an existing user. And this user is the one which I have created. So once we enable our login as any user feature, then we'll be able to see the login option here in front of this user which we have created. So I'll go to my quick find again and I'll type login access policies. It is under security. You click on login access policies. So this is the options. Administrators can log in as any user. Check it, which means you have to just enable it and save it. So this is the only step which you have to do to log in as any user in your org. Go back to your users. And we have this login option here. Click on it and you'll be able to log into that user too. So this is the user which we are logged into now, and we have this option to log out from here also. So this is a pop-up. I'm not sure what pop-up it is. Okay, just close it and you can see that this is your user. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, subscribe to the channel.